Hello everyone. Today we are out in the open water of the Tampa Bay area near the Wheaton Island. Over there you see the beautiful outline of downtown St. Pete. Today our boat captain is Mr. Eric Lee, and here is our tour guide. What's your name?
Hunter.
Hunter, what do you got there?
I got a small shrimp and a big shrimp.
And what are we doing with these shrimp?
These two shrimps are, look, do you see the shrimp is small and this shrimp is big?
Yes, what are they for?
They're for fishing.
Fishing. Can you show me where you keep the bait?
Inside this little bucket.
Oh, and what is that noise bubbling thing?
So it keeps the fish, so it keeps the bait alive.
Awesome. And when you hold the shrimp, are you afraid it might hurt you?
No.
No? How? How can you do it? Because you're good
Look.
at it?
Yeah, go.
Oh my. What happened there?
Oh, the poor shrimp. Oh.
Oh, and what are you hoping to catch with these jumpy shrimp?
A big fish.
He's following the boat. Look, the fin right there. Yeah. Here we are approaching the Gandy Bridge. Here you can find all sort of fish. You can even see dolphins. There are redfish, black drum, sheephead, nasty saltwater catfish, snapper, and if you're lucky, you can even find a cobia. Here underneath the bridge with its nice shade, we were just happy to be out of the hot sun. Hunter caught his very first bonnethead shark, which is the smallest member of the hammerhead shark commonly found in Florida. He took a bunch of photos with it and said goodbye to his new friends before gently putting it back in the water. Bow bow.
He's still on duty. Oh, it's super big. I don't know why.
Oh, wait.
You need me to get the net?
Oh,
I go so far.
I got net. I got the net.
Work that muscle, baby.
It's big.
Mike.
Oh my goodness.
Bow Bow's ready with his.
Bob, move, okay?
I think it's in there.
I don't know what.
I think it's a grouper.
Something really big.
I think it's the Johnson.
Maybe he caught a shark, Bow Bow. You think he caught a shark with your amazing bait that you put on for Daddy? Bow Bow, pay attention. Do you see anything yet in the water?
No handy.
Move, Bob.
Handy dandy. I got the handy dandy.
Okay, focus, Bow Bow. You gotta focus as a helper.
Move. Not yet. Bob.
Not
Move
You
so I
okay?
can run.
Move this way. Move out of the way, baby.
Wait. Wow.
Bow Bow. Move. Bow Bow, out of the way so.
Wow.
Ah!
Daddy, you lost it? Bow Bow, what are you doing?
Oh, wow.
Aren't you afraid Daddy will be mad that you gave away all of Daddy's bait? Is he gonna get angry at you? You don't think so? Okay.
Here. Go. Sit.
feel good doing that? Why? Oh, this one's so beautiful. Some have pinkish eyes. Any more, Baba? Okay, you better hurry up. Daddy's coming. Any more?
One left.
That's the last one?
Then you gotta go away. Go, go, go. Oh, wow. Get him. Go down, go down. Down, down. There's food down there. Go get it. There's food. There's food down there. Go get it.
Our catch for the day has been cleaned, filleted, marinated, and hung to dry in the machine that Eric created. Hopefully they taste as good as they look. See you guys on our next adventure.